Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Abhas and today we'll be installing Docker in our systems, that is Windows 10. And if you haven't watched my previous video, that is what is Docker, it's an introductory video. If you are new to Docker, like what is Docker and why it is used in the segments, and it is like why it is the next big thing, that is all the IT sectors are running behind it, why it is needed. So please go and check that video. I have shared the link in the description, as well as the link is kahin pe bhi, it's here around, I think the I button. Okay, so let's install Docker in our systems. I'll be back.
Like a Hellcat.
So prior installing Docker, there are two things which you have to check first, that if your virtualization hypervisor is on or not, if it is enabled or not, and the second thing is that if you are using Windows 10 or not. So for checking the first one, you have to just right click here and go to the task manager. Okay, now I have already opened this task manager, and you can see here you have to go to this performance tab, and in the performance tab you will be looking for virtualization that is enabled. So I'm okay, good to go. And the second thing, Windows 10, I already have Windows 10. So let's hit to this particular website, that is docker.com, and you will see here a download for Windows stable, and this is the stable version. That's they do not keep on changing this particular version. Okay, so you have to download this, which is around like 400 MB. So after downloading this, you have to install it, and my installation is currently in process. You can see here all the unpacking of the files have been done, and it might take some while, so let's wait. कुछ नया गाना वाना आया है क्या अभी?
सुबह उठते हैं हम, ब्रश करते हैं हम, फिर खाते हैं हम, फिर जाते हैं हम।
No songs. ऐसे ही बैठूंगा मैं. I'll just watch this. Yeah, unpacking files. Yeah. So finally the installation has been completed, and when the installation is completed, you will be getting this particular dialog, that is to close and restart. So what you have to do next is close and restart. That's it, simple. Okay, so my installation has been done for now, and what we have to do here is we have to just go to our command prompt, and let me see if it is installed or not. So I'll show you here. What I have to write here is docker, and what do I get here? So yeah, so it will show like the Docker has been installed here, and the runtime containers, and so you can see what are the commands here you can use here, like import, export, everything, and rename, restart. These all are commands. So now let's check it out, like what is the version of Docker we have installed. For that you have to write this particular command /v, -v, or you can also write version in total, otherwise it's only v also, it does it. And we are getting the build. See here, the version is 19.0.1.3. Bam, it's over. It has been installed now. So that's it guys for now. In the next episode I'll be coming up with more videos on how to install all other stuffs like Python, R and RPA. Lots of things are lined up, so please stay tuned to us. Till then, bye bye.